Hello everyone, this is Rehana welcoming you all to Let's Learn, Let's Speak with Confidence. Well friends, as usual I'm back with my promise. Yes, today we'll be learning about some of the rules. Yes, you can sound smart, sound confident with these correct rules of pronunciation. So let's check out what we have in our today's video. So viewers, let's find out why a particular alphabet sounds in a particular way. Alright, so let's start with O. Double O makes a short sound before D and K, as in wood, good, cook, look. So here you won't sound it as wood, but it's wood, good, cook, look. Alright, next O, that's double O, will make a long sound before M, N, L, as in boom, zoom, soon, moon, school, wool. Alright, so here we get a long O sound. Okay, moving on to the next letter, we have E. E is silent at the end of words if it has two vowels. Alright. Example, fire. So E is silent here. It's not fiery, it's fire because it has I. Alright. And E is it's the end alphabet. Game, sight, taste. So in these cases you will find that E is silent. Okay, the next rule is for letter E. Now E is not silent if there are no other vowels. Example, he, be, she, me. So here E is the only vowel. Alright, so it is not silent, rather it sounds as he, be, she, me. Next we have S makes a Z sound, Z, when it is placed between two vowel sounds. Interesting, isn't it? Yes. For example, wise. Now S is not, it's not wise, but it's wise, Z, because it's placed between I and E vowel. Similarly, we have visa, opposite, visit, easy, casual. So you can see S is placed in all the words in between two vowels and two vowel sounds. Alright, so that's why it is making a Z sound. So friends, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed learning, and if yes, then don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. And yes, you can also check out my translation videos, my videos on vocabulary building, pronunciation rules, and lot more. So till then, keep learning, keep growing, and take care. Bye-bye.